Hello, this is Stephen Milo, the composer for the upcoming film, The Potter Puppet Pals Adventure. This is a fun, fantastic film, and I'm proud of the music that I've written for it. There are 6 musical numbers in the film. One of the main songs is called Get the Snitch, and it's sung by Harry, with several other characters piping in from time to time. It's really a fun song, so let's look at a clip. I've got to get the snitch, I've got to get the snitch. The game is called Quidditch, and I've got to get the snitch. Flying through the air on a broom, I try my very best to avoid my doom. When in the corner of my eye, it will loom. The snitch. I've got to get the snitch, I've got to get the snitch. I'm flying around the pitch, and I've really got an itch. Draco Malfoy's very rich, but his mother is a bitch.
Hey, I'll knock you in a ditch and I'll beat you till you twitch.
This will go without a hitch.
Sometimes I wish I were a witch.
I've got to get the snitch.